Hello everyone. In this video, SMEC will be walking you through one of the most critical, yet often overlooked, systems on board a vessel, the main engine pneumatic system. Now when people think about a main engine, they usually think about fuel, combustion, and power. But in reality, none of that happens without air. Because before fuel ignites, the engine needs to rotate. And that rotation starts with compressed air. So let's start with the basics. The main engine pneumatic system, often called the starting air system, is responsible for initiating engine rotation using high-pressure compressed air. In large marine engines, especially slow-speed engines, there is no electric starter. Instead, compressed air is injected into the cylinder, forcing the pistons to move and turning the crankshaft. Only after this initial rotation does fuel injection begin, and combustion takes over. Now let's take a closer look at the system itself. The starting air system is made up of several key components, each playing a critical role in ensuring a smooth and safe engine start. First, we have the air compressors. These units generate high-pressure air, typically around 25 to 30 bars, and feed it into the system. That compressed air is then stored in air receivers. Think of these as energy storage tanks, ready to supply instant air during engine start. Next comes the start air distributor. This is where precision comes in. The distributor ensures that air is delivered to each cylinder at exactly the right moment in the engine cycle. Mounted on each cylinder are the starting air valves. These valves open sequentially, allowing high-pressure air to enter, pushing the pistons down and rotating the engine. And supporting all of this is the control air system, which operates valves, actuators, and automation logic across the engine. So how does all of this come together? When a start command is given, high-pressure air is released from the air receivers. The start air distributor directs this air to the correct cylinder. At the correct timing, starting air valves open one by one, injecting compressed air into the cylinders. This pushes the pistons, rotates the crankshaft, and once sufficient speed is reached, fuel injection begins. At that point, the engine becomes self-sustaining. Now here's something many people don't realize. Most failures don't originate at the compressor. They happen at starting air valves leaking, faulty distributor timing, moisture accumulation in the system, poor maintenance of air receivers, and when these issues occur, the engine may fail to start, or worse, suffer mechanical damage. Because of the high pressures involved, safety systems are critical. Components like non-return valves, relief valves, and interlocks ensure that air doesn't flow backward, overpressure is prevented, and safe starts are avoided. At the end of the day, no compressed air means no engine start. No engine start means no propulsion, and in real operations, that means downtime, delays, or even operational risk. Now here's something important to understand. Globally, main engine pneumatic systems are not standalone units. They are engineered as part of the engine design itself by OEMs like MAN Energy Solutions, Sulzer, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. These systems rely on high-performance pneumatic and control components from companies like Emerson, Bosch Rexroth, and Aventix, now part of Emerson. In India, the ecosystem works differently. It is driven by a combination of compressor manufacturers, pneumatic component suppliers, and marine engineering companies, supporting installation, maintenance, troubleshooting, and system integration. At SMEC, as an authorized partner of Emerson, we support vessel operators with diagnostics, integration, and lifecycle support for these critical systems. As marine systems become more advanced, the reliability of starting systems depends not just on mechanical components, but also on control, monitoring, and maintenance. Because in marine engineering, systems don't fail suddenly. They fail when small issues are ignored.